Kayla with Remax. Welcome to the newest listing to the Conifer area. This updated mountain home features impressive views and an ideal layout. Let's go explore. Enjoy relaxing on the deck, overlooking the mountain views of the Kenosha range, surrounded by trees, rock outcroppings, and wildlife. Let's go explore the lower level. So if you or someone you know would love to call this beautiful area home, reach out to me for more details. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, smiles are contagious.